Hello, this is Andy, WMSOhio.com. Today I'm going to show you a 2012. This is a Puma by Palomino. Model number on this camper is 19FS. Very, very good condition, close to like new condition. Currently it is plugged in to the wall. It does have a battery and everything works fine off the battery. Got both propane tanks up here. That's where your battery is located. It is a 2 5/16 ball. Awning is in real good shape. Could use a little bit of cleaning, not much. Tires are, I would call, 90 to 100%. Only damage on the outside. On both sides, these fenders are a little bit cracked towards the back end part of them. Inside, everything works as it should. You have your couch here in the front, folds out into the bed. Sink, stove, microwave area here. Additional storage above the couch, bed area. Dining area. You have two bunks back here. Larger one on the bottom and then a smaller one up top. Stereo system. Refrigerator. Vanity area here. And then your toilet and tub. Make sure you check out all the pictures. Probably going to look a little bit better than the video. It's kind of dark. Should be about all there is to show you. Very nice newer camper here. If you have any questions on this camper or any other piece of our inventory, don't hesitate to call or shoot an email. We'll do the best we can to answer any questions you might have. Again, this is a 2012 Puma 19FS here at WMSOhio.com.